Hey there everyone, my name is Elias from S.E.G Plays. Welcome back to more Pikmin. In the last episode, we got ourselves 3 ship parts. We managed to lose 1 little yellow Pikmin. Rest in peace, old comrade. And we also got us to the Forest Naval. However, I am not gonna go there today. Instead, there's actually 1 more piece I can actually get, but I'm pretty sure I can get the other piece in if I can actually throw my yellows over. But first, yeah, we're gonna do that, yeah. Now, let's try out with the yellow. I'm gonna leave that yellow bud down there, like, cause it's not really fully grown yet. I'm gonna take out... Nah, I'm gonna take out 20. Yeah, seems good. 20's good. Alright, you guys, you're all looking all nice and all yellowy and all buttered up. And there's sheer grubs trying to eat away the bridge! No! 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 We've lost 2 Pikmins. How dare they? How dare they? Chipping away the bridge of my own work. Now, can I actually make it there? No! 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 Swim! 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 Swim for your life! Okay, it's not. I can't. I guess I can't do that. Okay. Alright, yellows. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, yellows. I'm so sorry. Oh, yellows. I am very deeply sorry. You guys lost 2 comrades. You all go home. Go home. Have some rest. Okay, get that, but I can get that. I don't know why. If I know Pikmin, if there's like a vast area, that means there could be a boss fight. So I'm just gonna go and bring out the rest of my troops, which are going to be the reds. I think 60 should be good. Yeah, all bloomed up and ready to go. Okay, let's see. There are Bulborb. Okay, here we go. Ah! Sabanya, sabandisi, bye. You are dead. Okay, some of them got deflowered. I don't know why. Why do they get deflowered? It's such a dumb mechanic. Just go ahead and yeah. You guys go ahead. Go towards home. I'm gonna go build up more. I'm gonna go and follow them because I have a feeling that I'm gonna need him for battle. Well, the little sprouts here, they're gonna stay in the sun. Once when the days is almost at its end, we'll just come back over here, and we'll go ahead and sprout them. I like how they look up. They're just like, huh. So that's how it works. Alright, 60. Alright, boys. You're gonna be... Stop tripping! Comrade, if you don't manage to go and follow orders, you're gonna be... I don't know the word. Alright, let's go. Are all troops accounted for? Yes, sir. Okay. this is a very narrow area, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw them over there. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yes, yes. The thing is, I don't really want them to get hurt. That's all. Perfect. Okay. Everyone, careful with the water. Yeah, this looks like a boss area. Oh! Hello! No, don't you dare! Stop eating my Pikmin! Okay, you guys come with me. Get him in the face! Get him in the face! In the face! In the face! He's almost dead. He's almost done. Guys! Guys! Ah! There's 3? Oh, 2? I'm sorry? 2? Okay. Guys, 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 over here, over here. Get him! That's right. Keep going at him. He is down! Wow, that face though. He's not the one with that thing. Okay. Is the treasure around here? Yeah, it's around here. Okay, 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 okay. Get him, get him, get him, my friends. Get him, my little comrades. My little comrades. That's right, we're all doing so good. We're all doing so good, little comrades. Get him! Spank his face! He's dead, he's dead, he's almost dead, he's almost... No, he's not dead yet! Where is he going? There he is! Get him! Does he has it? No, he doesn't. Wow, that is a lot of blues. So, where is it? Who has it? Oh, Mr. Big Daddy! Hi, 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 hi. Oh, jeez, oh, jeez, oh, jeez. Oh! That hurt. How dare you eat my own comrade? Ow! Alright, you guys. Alright, little comrades, come over here, come over here. Get him! No, little Leafy! Get him! Get him! Keep getting him! Keep getting him! He's getting damaged! He's getting hurt! Okay, you all gonna come with me? Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! He's almost dead! He's almost dead! He's almost dead! And he is down! Derp. Hey! It's the Geiger counter! Every spaceship needs one of these, but I don't actually know what it's for. Every once in a while it goes wild and lets out a noise, but I never pay much attention to it, so it doesn't do me that much good. I really should read that manual one of these days. Aye, Olimar, you comrades. You do you, Olimar, you do you. Excuse me. Alright. We did it. So, that was Big Bird, Mr. Big Bird. Okay. Whew. Man, I thought I'm pretty sure we lost a few Pikmins, a few of our comrades, and boy, did we got deflowered bad. But hey, we managed to do it. It's gonna go reap the reward here. Make sure all of our Pikmins and manage to go get their own stuff. Now as for you guys, we're gonna make sure that we flower you all. Okay. Alright, some of you guys are fully bloomed. That's cool. That's cool. That's good. Oh! Oh! It's that thingy! That thingy! It's that thingy! Get back here, you! Oh no! Get out of the water! Get out of the water! No, I can't lose you guys! Ooh. No. Wait. Did that guy just swallow it whole? That guy's holding hold. Does that mean that? Wow, really? "81 of you. That's good, that's good. Alright. You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna send all of you guys back. And our little ship is now getting bigger. This noisy gauge always does stuff. 7 out of 30. Nice. Nice. That's excellent. That's good. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna go send you all back. Yes, we're gonna send you all back. And instead, we're gonna bring out a few yellows. Why? Because yellows are friends. Guys! Guys! Get over here! There we go, you guys. Well done. Let's go gather some more. Hey buddy, don't be sad, you can get that one. There you go, be nice. So I cannot get there, no, I can't really put my yellow other Pikmin in danger. Okay. So what can I do? I know there was an area that I could actually like bomb at. So, and you go ahead and get those. Like, there was some area that I managed, you know, to discard the bombs. So maybe I can actually go and do that. Yay! Alright. Where'd he go? It's like right up there. Okay. So I gotta go back over here. Okay. Man, Captain Armor, you really hurt yourself pretty bad, huh? Here. Recovered. There you go. Repair your suit. You're a good man. Why is this getting overhead? Okay. Go! Throw it at them! Throw it! Now. Oh. I can't go there yet. I can't go there yet. I need water Pikmins. Alright, so I can't do anything else anymore. I wanna make sure these guys manage to. You know what? There are some bit of nectar around here, so we can actually go ahead and get these guys out. Get them all fully flowered. There we go. And now we go ahead and make sure we bud all of these. Come on. Give us some nectar! Yes! Oh, even more nectar! Hell yeah! And bam, there we go. Look at that. They're all fully bloomed except for a few. But that's okay. We're gonna make sure that they actually get some. Yep. Delicious, isn't it? Oh. And that guy. I'll let you have that one. There you go. Okay. I guess we can easily end the day. We did good. We did good. And no Pikmin left behind, I bet. Yep, no Pikmin left behind. It was a great day. 5 days since impact. I have seen at times the leaf atop a Pikmin's head will grow into a bud, then a flower. It appears that if I do not pick the Pikmin sprouts, they gradually bloom over time. Fascinating. This melding of plant and animal traits is surely unique in the natural world. I have found the flower Pikmin to possess increased swiftness. When in a rush, I found pressing A and calling the flower Pikmin forth with the plus sign, I don't know, to be quite an effective strategy. I've also learned that new sprouts found growing on days following fierce battles are the results of seeds being left behind. We have lost 9 of our red comrades, but that's okay. We already got over 118 reds. That is perfect. We're gonna save now. Alright. So the last 2 stuff, I can't do it yet unless I have blue Pikmins. I'm not so sure, but I'm hoping that in the Forest Navel we can actually encounter these little guys. Hopefully. But anyways, like, we did good. We did good today. We did good. We increased our own troops and we're great. Doing awesome, outstanding, amazing. Anyways, yeah. So the next day we're gonna go to the Forest Navel. My name is Elias from S.E.G Plays. Hope you all enjoyed this episode, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next level.